Can you pronounce these 5 unusual bird names? Let's go. Chough, a crow-like bird with red legs and bill, found mainly in Europe and North Africa. Seriema or Seriema, a tall, loud South American bird known for its distinctive yelp and long legs. Grebe, a diving water bird with lobed toes, found worldwide in freshwater lakes and ponds. Bittern, a secretive marsh bird known for its deep, booming call, lives in wetlands across Europe, Asia, and America. 4 different pronunciations: Jacana, 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 or Hasana, a tropical bird with extremely long toes to walk on floating vegetation in wetlands of Africa, Asia, and the Americas. Let me know how you did and leave your suggestions for future videos in the comments.